Hello viewers, this is Sparkle Water Wars TV. We are here again to highlight you people how to install SUMO after digging borehole. After digging your borehole, you will install SUMO and put your pipe, that is the PVC pipe, before installing SUMO. As you can see here, we are trying to install the SUMO. Without installing SUMO, you will not get the result of digging a borehole. Without installing SUMO, the water cannot run. This is another way for finishing of borehole. After drilling, you install your SUMO. When you install your SUMO, that is where the water will run. When you are installing the SUMO, you first of all put the SUMO and you put your PVC pipe and sending down. As you are sending it, you are loading more PVC to the depth where the water is. After putting it, then you bring out any of your electricity, whether gen or lights, anywhere the light, whether solar. We still have solar SUMO connected. So you install. After you install, then that is where you get your water. You cannot just dig a borehole without installing SUMO. You must dig a borehole. Finishing digging your borehole, you install your SUMO. As you can see, the way we are installing the SUMO with the PVC and the rope that is holding the SUMO. This marine rope is not just any other rope. It's marine rope that have energy inside the water. That marine rope can stay up to 200 years inside that water. That is why it's called marine rope. When inside the water, it's stronger. It lasts stronger, more and more. So that is it. As you can just see, we are installing the SUMO now by set by set. See it, we are installing it. So as you can see, that is the way we zoom it up for you to see. The SUMO will go through inside the casing. We have done a wonderful job here. We are still installing our SUMO. You can see it. The PVC pipe we have here is 18 feet. We gum it step by step. As you can see it here, we gum it step by step. That is how we install our SUMO. So you can see it. When we put the PVC pipe, we send it down until we get to the depth, to the level we want it to be. As you can see, the way we are installing it. Install it step by step. Step by step. So that is it. That is it. This is the class we have today to enlighten you people to know. I know you people will be thinking, after digging the borehole, how will the water come out